dear Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Soida.
And I'm Mehek.
And today I'm going to tell you a very special story. The story of beautiful Chattogram hill tracts and the amazing people who lives here. Chattogram hill tracts is like a tiny drop of smile in the big heart of Bangladesh. You will see shining lakes, tall hills, deep forest, and clear waterfalls that sparkle like crystals. It's a hidden treasure. You have to travel far and wait patiently to see how beautiful it really is.
And just like the nature, the people here are beautiful too. Many kinds of people live together. They smile, they share, and they celebrate all the festivals together.
Most people here work with nature. Some grow crops on the hill, others catch fishes. The roads are not easy, but people still keep moving, slowly and happily. Now, let me tell you something very close to my heart about my dad and his team. They're the soldiers of Bangladesh Army and they work day and night to keep everyone safe in this beautiful land. My dad often away from home with his friends. I miss him a lot, but I know they are there protecting children like me.
We go to the farthest corner of the hills to make sure no one gets hurt. They don't just fight the bad people. They also help the sick, give medicine, and support children to study.
Life in the hill tracts is not always easy, but here everyone helps each other like a one big family. And I feel so proud that my dad and his brothers in arms make sure the flag of Bangladesh flies high on top of these strong and beautiful hills.
Next time you think of Chattogram hill tracts, remember, this place is tough, but on approach will welcome you with full warmth.